Ho ho no, you gorgeous fandabbies, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. This would be day 6 of my 12 days of Vlogmas, but it's my birthday. So we're scrapping Vlogmas for the day. We are going birthday-mus, and the Lion and I are heading off onto my annual birthday trip to Harrods to see what we can see. But I wanted to jump on here first, quickly. Don't think I'm going to get a chance to do an outfit of the day, but I will show you in a mirror in Harrods, hopefully, if I remember. Otherwise, I'll get the Lion to film it. I'm going to open an advent calendar. Now, you see, this one isn't very Christmassy, and it's because I targeted this one for my birthday, because I want to open this advent calendar. I should have just done it as a birthday gift to myself. And this is NARS. This is a lip balm. Now, I really like the Afterglow lip balm in Orgasm, but I wanted to switch up the colour a little bit, so I went for Deep Throat this time. What is it with the names? And it comes in this super glossy, shiny. Yes, look at that. And it is this lovely shade of pink, and I wanted to wear it today, so it's subtle, it's what I wanted, but it has a little bit more colour. A little bit more colour than the other one, and is a bit more pink than my Gucci. Please hold. This is usually my go-to, the Gucci, but it's much more of a sort of corally colour. And this is the other NARS that I like using. This one's nearly finished, and this is the Orgasm. So it is very, very pale in comparison. The babies are going to get their advent calendar either later, or they'll get double advent calendar tomorrow. Let's go to Harrods. Are you as excited as me?
Oh yeah.
We're early. It's 11 AM. We're not due to meet Valentina until 1, so just have a bite to eat and a little wander around. We're on the hunt for a winter coat for the Lion. He has very exacting requirements. It's quieter in the men's section. Outfit of the day. Light M&S shirt with a little pink M&S vest top underneath. My Fendi strap with my Fendi mini baguette in the black nappa leather. Gucci belts, my wide leg M&S. I'm basically wearing M&S today, M&S and Fendi. No, these are John Lewis trousers, denim trousers, and then my M&S slug boots. And I'm carrying while he rummages. This is what they say when the tables are turned. And that is a crazy detail. Show me. So are they supposed to be so you can have the hood pulled down?
Put the hood up.
Yeah. And then you can flip those down. Are they sunglasses? Yeah. Amazing. It's a nice coat, I like it. Here he is. It's a little bit matrixy.
20-year-old me would have loved that.
I was toying with the idea of getting the lemur. Amelia, what do we think? Do you think the lion could rock them? Ladies, top tip when you're coming to Harrods and you need a wee, go to the men's floor because the loos are absolutely empty. Somehow I've shepherded him into Fendi. I think you need to look at that little trunk baguette. Yes, I want to buy it for you. Yes, but you need a bag as well. You do. There he is. That over there is a naughty lion. I thought we were going to be having a wrap in the food hall, and this one had pre-booked a table at Studio Francine, which is where the lovely Valentina and her director brought us from Fendi in September. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. Who's naughty? Yeah, you're naughty. Look at what they've done because it's open. They've put all of these cushions and blankies out. It's just gorgeous. And a glass of Ruinart Blanc de Blanc. Cheers. Thank you, you sneaky sausage. This is the kind of brioche bread that we had last time we were here, and it was amazing. And then look at this butter. It's like honey butter and it's got ash on it, but it is the most tasty thing.
Guinea fowl breast, pork belly and the croutons.
Marvellous, thank you.
Also the umami burger.
That looks incredible.
Chips. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. How is it that the burger looks smaller than the salad? The tastiest food ever. If you can get an opportunity to get in at Studio Francine on the rooftop of Harrods, do it. I have no idea what he's doing. He doesn't have a luxury YouTube channel. Guess where we are? keep coming back to look at this jacket. Body suit. That's a lovely skirt. Am I pleased or unhappy that these don't come in the lower heel? Undecided. Love the colours, but gotta have the lower heel. Beautiful colour, Galicia. This is the frock I saw online. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that pink. It would be utterly shapeless on me, but it is beautiful pink. They're dressing me up now. That really is beautiful. As we go through the little mini baguettes, there's a sequin one. Claire, yours is here, still waiting for you to come and pick her up. Sorry, not sorry. Mine. Also mine. What's this? Cute. Oh, look at the iridescence on these. That's never going to come out on camera. Her lesson, yeah, lovely. And I still like those. I think they're really cute.
Look to your right.
Oh.
There's a sign that says a lot coming in.
Oh. Ooh, and it got dark. It's raining. It's so dark. Can you see the rain in the light? Yikes. What a welcome home.